Hi, my name is Megan Lawrence, and I'm the Senior Accessibility Evangelist here at Microsoft, as well as the co-lead of employees with mental health conditions. I've learned many things about inclusion during the last couple of weeks as we are all creating new work from home cultures of inclusion. The first is really about community, that we all want to belong to something bigger than ourselves, whether that's our family, our extended friend community, but certainly our work community. And so technology has really been able to connect us in ways that have been incredibly important to making sure that we are maintaining not only community, but really building out those communication styles and patterns with not only our coworkers, but certainly our managers as well. This is May, and we are celebrating Mental Health Awareness Month because we recognize that mental health and well-being affects not only our workplace productivity, but really our quality of life. Did you know that mental health is the #1 disability in the world today? And about 83% of people will have a diagnosable mental health condition at some point in their lives. Now, in order to truly take care of ourselves, we need to think about how we get the downtime that we need. It is amazing to me to think that about 70% of us never fully unplug from work, but disconnecting and unplugging from work needs to be a really intentional exercise. So let me share a personal story with you. A couple of months ago, my husband invited me to my favorite restaurant, which I thought was quite lovely, and then said, "Look, Megan, I need you to take a vacation." My response was quite literally, "No, I don't," because my own anxiety and stress had gotten so high that I couldn't realize that it was starting to affect my life and those around me. So I made the promise that night to him to really disconnect and be present on Friday nights and Saturdays. So here in MyAnalytics, I get a purple square every time I successfully do not get back online after hours. This is a great way to keep myself honest. Now, I shared this technique with my manager, and they loved it. And in fact, they'll now send me a ping that says, "Hey, Megan, get that purple square," which means you're doing a great job. Take care of yourself, right? Now, in order to feel really good about disconnecting, we've got to get the work that we want done. So MyAnalytics has a set of focus tools, so you can automatically reserve that time to really focus and make sure that that's blocked on your calendar. And part of that is really silencing distractions. So thinking about not having notifications come up. It takes 23 minutes on average to refocus after checking just one chat or one email. Now, taking care of yourself is important, but building a culture of an emotional inclusion for your team is also critical. So be thoughtful about when you send emails out. MyAnalytics now has a nudge in Outlook that says, "Are you sure you want to send this email? It's after hours." Because we know that if your manager or management chain sends you an email, you're very likely to get back online and answer that and spend 90 additional minutes doing all kinds of other things. So as we celebrate May, Mental Health Awareness Month, take care of yourself and your colleagues.